Hello, my dear cheerful learners. How are you? I hope you have watched the first part of the chapter Triangles. This is the second part of it. For class 9, let us recall the terms which we have learned in the first video, that is congruence criteria. All the four, I guess you are quite aware of these conditions. Let us do some questions to make our concepts clear. Can you name the postulate by looking at the triangles and the given corresponding sides? So in the first figure, the side, angle and the side of first triangle are equal to the corresponding sides, angle and the second side. So the first one is your SAS. Look at the second. Can you name the second figure? Yes, the corresponding angles and an included side is given here. So the second figure is ASA. In the third figure, can you name it? Here all the three sides are given equal to each other. Yes, this will be congruent by side correspondence. Can you name the fourth one? Is it possible? No, it's not possible because there does not exist side angle correspondence. Now can you name that postulate by this two triangles are congruent? In the first figure, side angle is given equal, but where is the third side? Yes, they are sharing a common edge. So the first one is congruent by the condition side angle side. In the second figure, two sides are given equal. So how can you get the third angle or side? Whenever the two lines intersect, the vertical opposite angles are equal. So hence the third figure, if you name it by A, B, C and DBE, the triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle DBE by SAS condition. The third figure also follows the same thing because the line are intersecting, their vertical opposite angles are equal. So this is side, angle and side. The third figure follows the same concept, side, angle, side condition. And for the fourth one, this is your angle, this is your side, this is your common edge they are sharing. So, but we have already read that side angle correspondence does not exist. Let us move further. Now this slide I am giving you as homework. Please write down in the comment box that which criteria follows so that these two triangles are congruent to each other. Next question is, determine if whether each pair of triangle is congruent by SSS, SAS, ASA or AAS. If it is not possible to prove that they are congruent, write not possible. The given thing is GH is equals to KJ and GH is parallel to KJ also. So, can you prove these two are equal? Yes, we will get G is equals to angle G is equals to angle J because they are alternate interior angles. In the lines and angles, we have read that concept, and since the line is intersecting, angle GIH is equals to angle JIK. Where is the third side? The third side is already given, that is your GH is equals to kj that was given. So the triangle GIH is congruent to JIK by angle, side. Now in the second figure, write down the condition by which they are congruent. So here angle is given because both are equals to 90 degree. Angle B is equals to angle D. The reason is each 90 degree. The second one, angle ACB is equals to angle ECD, that is given. And the third one, BC is equals to DC, that also given. So the condition follow here is angle, side, angle. We can clearly see the side is included. Two angles and an included side of a triangle is equals to the corresponding two angles and a side of another triangle, then the triangle is congruent. Next question is, if in this figure AC is equals to EC, that is given, BC side is equals to DC, that also given. So can you find out the third one? When two lines intersect, their vertical opposite angles are equal. So angle ACB is equals to angle ECD. So here triangle ACB is congruent to triangle ECD by SAS congruence condition. In this figure, CX bisects angle ACB. Angle A is equals to angle B. Can you prove that triangle ACB is congruent to triangle BCX? Let us see. CX bisects angle ACB. What does it mean? That means CX divide the angle C into two equal parts. If you name it by 1 and 2, clearly 1 equals to 2, angle A equals to angle B, that is given. CX is equals to CX because both the triangles are sharing the common edge. So triangle ACX is congruent to triangle BCX. Can you name it? By which criteria? Yes, it is AAS. The next question I'm giving you for your homework. If AB line is parallel to DC, X is a midpoint of AC, can you prove that triangle AXB is congruent to triangle CXD? Prove it by your own. The next question, determine if whether each pair of triangle is congruent by side, 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 side angle, side angle or AAS. If it is not possible to prove that they are congruent, write not possible. See, here we can see that KL is equals to VU. Then JK is equals to TU and angle L is equals to angle V. So this is side, side and angle. But what? Side, side, angle we know that does not exist. So proving these two triangle congruent is not possible. Now guess the maths magic. Can you guess the answer? If yes, then write down the correct answer in the comment box. This much in this video. In the next video, we will come up with more and more questions to make your concepts more clear.